Hi everybody, this is Connie from Connie's Creative Creations. Today I'm taking part in the Christmas in July collaboration. It is me and 7 other creators that is going to be doing this together today. There will be a playlist link down in my description box as well as all of their channel links. So don't forget to go down there and check out all of them. Now, today, this is like a light bulb, Christmas light bulb that I got from Dollar Tree last fall, and I kind of was holding on to it for maybe Christmas in July, wasn't sure. Well, I took the tag off, and then I grabbed my sanding block, and I was sanding away a lot of that glitter. Now, I knew I wasn't going to be able to get it all off, and that's okay, because I'm going to peel it off. Now, I'm using my little ladybug vacuum cleaner, picking up all of the little pieces of glitter. This is an amazing little vacuum. I have a link to it in my link tree, and my link tree link is in my description box too. So you can go check out that after you watch the show. Now I'm taking a palette knife, and I'm just sliding it underneath their paper, and it just peels right off. And then I used it as my sanding block to kind of smooth it. I flipped it over, and I'm putting 2 coats of apple barrel white paint to start with. Now, I'm a Plaid ambassador, and they do Plaid, folk art, Waverly, Deco, cream coat, Mod Podge, and a lot of other things. So that's I'm just using the white because I knew it would adhere to the chipboard. So I'm just putting the 2 coats on top of this light bulb to get started, just so I have a base, a full coat base of paint on this. Now, after I got both coats on there, I'm using my Darcy heat gun as well. Their link is in my link tree to that. Got that all dry, and now I'm using, can't remember, it's folk art. I showed you, but I couldn't see it. I cannot remember what it's called, but I am putting 1 full coat, just 1, on top of this light bulb. Then we'll see what I'm gonna do next. I go ahead and get that all. I do just 1 really good coat. This is chalk paint, so it covers really well. Now I'm taking this gray color, I think it was Dolphin, and I am going to dry brush this over the whole thing. Now, the reason why I'm dry brushing is because what I'm putting on here has this same effect. So if I put it on there and it wasn't the same, you would be able to see it, that it's different. Now I'm taking a smaller brush, and I'm painting the top of the light bulb where the silver is. Now this is gray, and then I'm going to use a metallic silver after I put the lines, so that it ends up looking exactly like if it was a real light bulb. So this is some Christmas clings that I got last year from Dollar General, and I'm just kind of figuring out my placement. They're not sticking right now because they're not going to stick on paint unless I was to get them wet, and they're dry. So I'm going ahead and just trying to peel this off and get my placement so I kind of know where I'm going to be hand lettering the words Merry Christmas. So I'm just I can't figure it out. I'm like, no, this isn't going to work. And so I moved the truck and down a little bit, and those trees fit perfect. So I'm just going ahead and getting that all in place. Then I take it off, and the reason I'm doing that is I'm going to go ahead and put those black lines on the silver and then the silver metallic, because I'm hooking these clings on here with Mod Podge, and I want that paint to be dry so I can go over it as well. Okay, now that I've got them placed, I'm going ahead and use black paint, and I am just going to go ahead and paint in the words Merry Christmas onto this light bulb. And then we're going to hook this on with Mod Podge. Here's where I went ahead and put that metallic silver over this, and then I start working on those clings to get them all hooked on there with the Mod Podge. And I'm using matte Mod Podge on this, so it kind of will dull out the shine from the clings, but it will seal it all. Okay, now this is Christmas red truck ribbon that I got from Dollar General last year, and I'm just going to make a small bow for this just to finish it off. I also made a very small jute hanger for it so that it will hang on the wall. And if you've never seen me do my bows, I do have a tutorial on my channel, and if I remember, I will put that in the description box, but you can it's in my videos, and I think it's on one of my lives, so you can check it out there. And I'm using the paddle wire, it's the floral wire, and I just hooked that together, and then I'm going to fluff this bow up and just get it connected. I also dovetailed the ends of the tails, and I'm just gluing that on with hot glue. I hope you guys really like this one, and let's get right into this second project. Okay, this is a tree that I put together last year. Actually, that green is fern. I want to make sure it's Waverly fern. This was made out of foam core, and I cut it and made it last year and then never did anything with it, so I figured, we'll just do something with it now. So I'm just going to paint it with this fern, get all the little grooves and the edges, and I'm just going to get this all painted in this green. Now I've got these berries that I picked up at the Dollar Tree last fall, and I am just kind of breaking them up and gluing them on each one of like the limbs as it stair steps down, and just putting the berries on each one of those just to make it look like they're growing on it. I'm not sure if berries do grow on Christmas trees, but if not, we're going to call it that it is anyway. We could call it acorns, I guess, or just figure it's already decorated. So I just go ahead and sometimes they only get ones, two, or clumps. I'm just gluing them all on there to like decorate it. And then I'm going to grab a garland that I got in a mystery box last December from Zana from OK at Home DIY. It was in the box that she sent me. And actually, no, I was wrong. Oh, I can't remember. I don't remember when it was. Maybe it was in the fall. I mean, in February. I can't remember. I'm losing it. But that's what it is. And it's right there. It's that garland. The little pine cones is hooked onto the wire. I'm not sure if it was Zana or if it was someone else that sent. I've had so many boxes sent to me for different mystery boxes and crafter stash that I'm not sure which one it was, but somebody sent this to me, and now I'm just kind of wrapping it around. I'm going to glue it, make sure that it doesn't fall off, and then I am going to call this project done, as well as the whole video. I only did 2 videos, or 2 crafts on this video. I just got home yesterday from a long trip, so I'm really tired, so I ended up only doing 2. Now, don't forget to go down to the description box. We've got a huge playlist with a lot of women, 7 or 8 of us all together, and down in the description box is all the stuff that you're going to need to know, where to click and everything. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. It helps my channel grow, as well as if you hit the notification bell, hit it twice and hit all. You should be notified for every time I upload a video. And also give me the big thumbs up and leave me a comment. I love to read them and respond to them. So, I hope that you guys have enjoyed this. I know that there's a lot of great creators in this playlist, so just don't forget to go check them all out. Here I'm just gluing the last little bits, and here it is. I hope you guys like this. Like I said, give me a big old thumbs up, and you guys all have an amazingly blessed week, as well as be the Bible that somebody reads today. Bye-bye.